So recently I was digging through my insurance renewal and I noticed in the fine print of my policy, I found a massive trap. If your website doesn't have a specific compliant privacy policy, your coverage is worthless during a breach. The problem is that insurance carriers now require proper digital safeguards. To them, no privacy policy equals negligence. If you get sued or you get hacked, they won't pay the legal fees and they won't pay the fines. You're paying for protection you literally can't use. So at GlobalSpex, we don't just build websites. We actually care for your business and we care for your website. And so one of the things that we do is we offer a system to protect your assets. A static copy-paste policy from 2018 isn't going to cut it when the laws change every few months. Just because you do business in Texas, other people around the country and around the world are looking at your website. Specifically the US, if you do business in the US, you need to make sure your privacy policy addresses whatever state you're in, but also addresses other states as well. So first, check your website footer right now. See if you've got a proper policy. Is it a legal shield or is it a liability? So comment below legal and we'll take a look at your site and we'll see what your privacy policy says. Thanks so much. Till next one.